Welcome everyone. I'm Arpan representing Vidhabi Global Services, a specialist in providing support and services in business intelligence and enterprise performance management space. We provide pre-sales support, health checkup and optimization, installation configuration, upgrade migration, support and maintenance, end-to-end implementation. Here is the agenda for the webinar today. Using VBA with Essbase. We will cover topics such as what is VBA, why we should use VBA, setting environment to use VBA, working with VBA, VBA programming approach, what is Essbase, need of Essbase, Essbase key features, using VBA with Essbase, and how to use VBA with Essbase. VBA stands for Visual Basic for Applications. It is a programming language which is an implementation of Microsoft's event-driven programming language Visual Basic 6 and its associated integrated development environment designed especially for Office tools. Visual Basic for Applications enables building user-defined functions, automating processes, and accessing Windows API and other low-level functionality through dynamic link libraries. It can be used to control many aspects of host application, including manipulating user interface features such as menus and toolbars and working with custom user forms or dialog boxes. Host application can be any application amongst Microsoft Office application suite. As its name suggests, VBA is closely related to Visual Basic and uses the Visual Basic runtime library, but it can normally only run code within a host application rather than as a standalone program. It can, however, be used to control one application from another. VBA is built into most Microsoft Office applications, including Office for macOS and other Microsoft applications such as Microsoft MapPoint and Microsoft Visio, as well as being at least partially implemented in other applications such as AutoCAD and WordPerfect. Microsoft calls the VBA as a remote control for Microsoft Office Excel 2007. You can use Excel without ever using VBA, but VBA makes Excel more convenient to use. It also allows you to take advantage of features that can't be accessed through standard user interface. Control is achieved using macros. So what is the difference between a macro and a VBA? In essence, a macro is a computer program that gives automated instructions to computer. The original scope of macros was limited to use a few characters to represent a lot of instructions. In newer versions, Excel team calls custom programs consisting of different functions as macros, which themselves can generate outputs. Excel is used for a wide variety of tasks, and everyone listening to this webinar has different needs and expectations regarding Excel. For example, analyzing scientific data, budgeting and forecasting, creating invoices and other forms, developing charts from data, keeping lists of things such as customers' names, student grades, etc. But one thing virtually every user has in common is the need to automate some aspect of Excel. And that is what VBA is all about. If you often need to enter your company name, address and phone number in your worksheets, you can create a macro to do the typing for you. You can extend this concept as far as you like. For example, you might develop a macro that automatically types a list of all salespeople who work for your company. If you need to perform the same action on say 12 different Excel workbooks, you can record a macro while you perform the task on the first workbook and then let the macro repeat your action on the other workbooks. If you often issue the same sequence of Excel menu commands, then you can save yourself a few seconds by developing a macro that combines these commands into a single custom command, which you can execute with a single keystroke or a button click. Although Excel includes hundreds of built-in functions such as sum and average, you can create custom worksheet functions that can greatly simplify your formulas. The other important feature that VBA serves is consistency and accuracy. You can automate almost everything you do in Excel. To do so, You write instructions that Excel carries out. Automating a task by using VBA offers consistency and accuracy because doing so lets the Excel always execute the task in exactly the same way. Excel performs the task much faster than you can do it manually, and if you have developed the macro correctly, which is a one-time action, then Excel will always execute the task in an accurate way. To set the environment to use VBA, you need to have Microsoft Office Suite installed on your machine. Then you need to enable the developers tab. For this, you need to open any of the Microsoft Office Suite product, say Excel. Then right click any part of the ribbon and choose Customize the ribbon. In Customize the ribbon tab of Excel options dialog box, locate developer in second column, put a check mark next to developer, click OK, and you are back to Excel with a new brand tab, developer. The developers tab shows information specific to a developer. This includes viewing available macros in the worksheet, changing the macro security settings, inserting controls in the worksheet, viewing properties of any controls in the workbook, etc. The Visual Basic Editor, also set to be as VBE, is a separate application where you write and edit your VBA macros. In Excel 2013, every workbook displays in a separate window. However, there is only one VBE window and it works with all open Excel windows. You can't run the VBE separately. Excel must be running in order for the VBA to run. The quickest way to activate the VBE is to press Alt F11 when Excel is active. To return to Excel, press Alt F11 again. You can also activate the VBE by clicking over the Developer tab, then click over Visual Basic in Code panel. The Visual Basic Editor has few components such as menu bar, toolbar, project window, code window, and an immediate window. The menu bar contains commands that you use to do things with various components in the VBE. You also find that many of the menu commands have shortcut keys associated with them. You can customize the toolbar that you want to see in the Visual Basic Editor. Then in the project window, you are displayed with a tree diagram that shows every workbook currently open in an Excel. A code window is where you put your VBA code. Every object in a project has an associated code window. The immediate code window may or may not be visible. If it is not visible, press Ctrl G. The immediate window will be displayed to you. The immediate window is most useful for executing VBA statements directly and for debugging your code. Working with VBA. If you need to work with VBA, and if you have planned the task that you want to automate or write a macro for, then click on the Developers tab. Click on Record Macro. Give your macro a name. You can assign the macro to a command button or you can assign it to a keyboard action. Then start performing a task that you would like to automate. Click on Stop Recording once done with the task and save the workbook to save the macro in it. You can view this macro by hitting Macro button in the Code panel of Developers tab. VBA implements object model for programming. The limitation that VBA had function-based macros was solved by the object model approach. Function-based macros meant managing too many commands effectively. Object model is a term to logically categorize all the commands you carry out in an application. In an object model, each different part of the application, for example, a workbook, a range, or a point on a chart becomes an object, and each object has its own list of functions. Object model organizes all the millions of possible commands around how each command is used. For example, you copy-paste range of cells, but you don't do the same with points on a chart. Because of object model, VBA doesn't need any special access to the internals of Excel. Rather, Excel exposes its capabilities to outside world by means of the object model, and VBA then talks to outside model. This means that an Excel VBA macro can control not only Excel but also any application that provides an object model. All Microsoft Office applications and several other Microsoft and non-Microsoft applications provide appropriate object models. Now we will see what is EaseBase. Oracle EaseBase products provide companies the ability to deliver critical business information to the right people when they need it. With EaseBase, companies quickly leverage and integrate data from multiple existing data sources and distribute filtered information to end-user communities in the format that best meets the user's needs. Users interact and intuitively explore data in real time and along familiar business dimensions, enabling them to perform speed-of-thought analytics. EaseBase stands for Extended Spreadsheet Database. It is a multi-threaded OLAP database software that takes advantage of symmetric multiprocessing hardware platforms. It is based on web deployable, thin client architecture. Online analytical processing is a multidimensional, multi-user client-server computing environment for users who need to analyze enterprise data. The server acts as a shared resource, handling all data storage, caching, calculations, and data security. The EaseBase server client needs only to retrieve and view data that reside on the server. Being a multidimensional database, EaseBase provides multidimensional views of data, calculation-intensive capabilities for time intelligence. EaseBase is commonly used to combine multiple sources of disparate data. Data sources can be anything, for example, flat files, relational databases, or even a spreadsheet. EaseBase is then used to analyze the summarized data. Oracle EaseBase allows the analysis and identification of trends and relationships, which can be used in conjunction with its unique multi-user read or write technology to produce forecasts and what-if scenarios. EaseBase provides us with speed-of-thought responses. The Oracle EaseBase Calculator delivers premium performance and breadth of functionality. Generally, reports are generated using BI reporting tools. These tools work on top of EaseBase. Reporting gives us information such as which customers spend the most, what did customer buy, what is forecast. On the other hand, EaseBase is tuned for analysis. For example, which customers are most profitable, which customer is likely to buy which article, what if demand falls short of forecast. As business data is viewed from multiple dimensions, it is not feasible to store data in an Excel and then analyze the stored data in the Excel from multiple dimensions. To achieve the analysis of data from multiple dimensions, we generally add headers in Excel to categorize data, but this creates lots of confusion once the data gets increased. When we have multiple such workbooks which are analyzed using headers as a way of multi-dimensional analysis. Let us see the key features of EaseBase. Using EaseBase, we are no longer required to store data in multiple workbooks which are not consistent. EaseBase stores data within itself and in such a manner to view it along many dimensions. Oracle EaseBase is the most advanced high-performance calculation engine on the market with more than 350 pre-built functions which accelerate complex business model development. EaseBase has write-back capabilities, so data can be stored back to EaseBase using client tools once data is retrieved. So for minor data updates, data write-back is an important feature that EaseBase serves us. Oracle EaseBase supports extremely fast query response times for vast number of users, large data sets, and complex business models. By leveraging its self-managed rapid application development capabilities, business users can quickly model complex business scenarios. VBA and EaseBase are generally used together for reporting purposes. EaseBase acts as a database server where we store our data, while VBA acts as a tool which we use for automation. So the combination of VBA and ISBase is generally used for reporting purposes. We can design our custom reporting applications using VBA and ISBase together. Market already has many reporting applications, for example web analysis, Hyperion financial management. Then what is the need that we need to develop some custom reporting apps? Many organizations feel that using web analysis and HFM does not serve their purpose, or many organizations don't use the web analysis and HFM and the features of web analysis and HFM fully. So organizations feel that there is a need to develop some custom reporting applications which will be limited to their requirements and which can later be scaled in future according to their requirements. So this requires VBA APIs for ISBase. So whenever we need to develop applications which has VBA and ISBase together, we'll have the requirement of VBA APIs for ISBase. APIs are application programming interfaces, and being interfaces, they communicate with VBA. They communicate VBA with ISBase. APIs handle the low-level communication themselves and let the developer focus on reporting and tasks related to ISBase. Tools designed using VBA access the ISBase. So whatever we do using ISBase client softwares can be done using VBA APIs. This includes connecting to the ISBase data source, disconnecting from the ISBase data source, retrieving the data from ISBase, getting the member information from ISBase, and accessing other data related things that we generally do using ISBase client softwares. These functions allow us to perform some common operation that we can perform with ISBase client software. We can connect and disconnect into the ISBase from Excel using hype connect and hype disconnect functions. Data is retrieved and can be loaded using hype retrieve function. Member information can be retrieved using hype get member information function. So we can automate the common operations that ISBase client tool does by using VBA with ISBase. Similarly, other reporting specific functions provide us the ability to perform reporting tasks. These functions can be hype perform ad hoc on form, hype zoom in, which is used to get the children of any member, hype zoom out, hype pivot. These are some of the functions that are specific to reporting, which are available with ISBase client softwares and also can be automated using VBA. Thanks for participating in the webinar. We will look forward to see you again in the upcoming webinars for Vedavi Global Services. Please contact us for any related query for BI and EPM space. Email and mobile numbers are there on our contact us slide. Have a great time.